Please show your invitation letter. Sorry, no invitation letter. No one.
Is the sheriff no exception? What to do if an emergency occurs upstairs?
Longting Group Security Department has the ability to handle it.
I must go.
Mr. Sheriff, dear bosses who participate in founding Conference of Urban Construction Association, either rich or noble. Everyone is worth hundreds of billions. None of you are allowed to enter.
Do you know the consequences of hindering the sheriff?
Who am I supposed to be? It turned out to be Leisha. This Longton group, it belongs to private property. If you force yourself, you need a search warrant. Then I was